Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ellern. I'm a cosmetic physician here at Reflections, and today we are talking about Restylane Contour. So when people ask me, what is Restylane Contour? Restylane Contour is the only cheek filler with the Express technology. It is able to provide volume with increased flexibility. This is really important when we want to have natural results that not just look great in a photo, but look good when you're in person and you're moving. It will move with you, it'll move as you express your face, and that's the way to have a natural enhancement that just makes you look more beautiful without any indication you've had anything done. When people ask, where do we inject this filler and why are we choosing this filler over other fillers? This filler is primarily created for injection in the cheek. That's not to say that there may not be uses for it or in the future people using it in different areas, but primarily cheek volumization is what we're using this for. It is different than other fillers in that it is creating that flexible hold. When we are choosing this, we have to kind of look at what the patient's face looks like and what we are trying to achieve. If we want a more angular, lifted appearance that we're not thinking about the flexibility on, Restylane Lyft can be used. If we want something that's more flexible, we can use this product. So finding a way to choose a filler based on your own natural anatomy and your goals is how we decide what we're going to use this filler for and on whom. So when we are deciding which of these products do we use, why are we using this product over something else? Experience takes a big part in this. In this particular product, the flexibility with the ability to create volume is really important, especially if we have a patient who has less tissue volume in their face, thinner skin, where we want the filler to come out more delicate appearing. It's also used when we want to have a more natural appearing cheek. Restylane Lyft is a great product, however, it has a more stiff sort of appearance. When we are placing it along the cheekbone, it is not going to flex to the same extent as Restylane Contour. Restylane Contour is really great in that it does not lay down as stiffly or angularly as something like Restylane Lyft, meaning that if you are trying to create a very sharp angular cheekbone, Restylane Lyft would be a better choice for this. However, if you don't have enough tissue to hide filler underneath, Restylane Lyft maybe have a little more visibility. Like if you have thinner or crepeier skin, Restylane Contour tends to round off a little bit more, creating a little more mounded effect, and that will have a softer appearance under the skin in addition to having that nice flexible hold and lift that we really love about it. So when we're talking about what filler we're choosing for your face, we're evaluating what your face looks like, your age, the thickness of your skin, the volume in your cheek to start with, and also your goals. If you want a more angular appearance, something like Restylane Lyft may be a better choice. If you're looking for a more soft, delicate, natural cheek or have a little less tissue to hide things under, Restylane Contour can be a great choice to give you that flexibility with the hold that you're desiring. So I think the important thing is that you take a look at each person, you figure out what they need, and you combine fillers to create the effect that you want. Nothing is just one perfect filler that fits the mold for everybody or for each individual person, combining them to provide natural, beautiful aesthetic results. So when you're deciding who's doing your injections, you really need to find someone who has a lot of experience, not just in total of years or injections, but also experience with different products. These products all react differently within the skin. When we're injecting, each person kind of has a different dynamic and different anatomy. So choosing out of the fillers that are available, which is becoming an increasingly wide variety of fillers, is a skill in and of itself. So it's important you find someone who has experience with a lot of different fillers. Here at Reflections, we do all the Restylane and all the Juvederm product line. So we have experience with a lot of different variety, in addition to some non-hyaluronic acid-based fillers, such as Sculptra and Radiance as well. So if this is something you are interested in, we can kind of go through what we have available and show you our skill set. So if this is something you're looking to enhance on yourself, if you would like your cheeks to be a little bit more naturally contoured, I encourage you to come in for a free consultation where we can talk about what's available, what we recommend for you, and have you evaluated to create a beautiful, natural looking aesthetic to enhance your own beauty.